Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video and kind of explain something to you that I think is interesting. These two items are for the 92 Toyota pickup truck that I am currently putting a motor together for. And there's some differences to these. This one, so what these are is a timing belt cover, but it's also the same spot where the fan is mounted, and these have a bearing built inside of them so that the fan can spin freely pretty easily. So what I wanted to point out to you was this truck is a 92. This setup with this spring tensioner that you see is actually for the later models, like an 80s, like mid to late 80s, and real like 91 pickups. And these are for the 92 to like 95 pickups. So this is the hydraulic setup. This is a hydraulic tensioner, and this is the tensioner for the timing belt. And the difference is these springs get worn out, and a lot of people don't bother to change them, and then they don't tension the belt like they should. And if you're not careful, when you go to set these up on the block, this piece sticks. And so when you actually go to tension the belt, this pulley doesn't tighten against the belt like it should. This one, the hydraulic tensioner, fits in this hole that's on the side, and it just mounts, it bolts to the side, and you just stick it in there with the pin in, and after it's bolted down and in place and you got everything set up, then you pull this pin out and it tensions the belt. This is a better setup. This will bolt right onto the 3VZE as well as this one. They will fit on the same motor. They actually bolt pretty much the same way. There is a little bit of a bolt pattern difference, but not much. But it'll work, and this is the better setup. You can even put this on an 88 so that you have a better tension on your timing belt and you don't have any issues with it not being tight enough. This system works, but it's not as good because the spring is faulty, and so is this actual pulley. But I just wanted to, like, this is the one with there's show you the difference here of how it actually looks from the bottom or the back side. So when you're looking at it, it looks pretty much the same, right? The difference is the hole that's here isn't here. And that's what the difference is. That's like the only difference. Because this little spot is for the water pump pulley. Because this is a water pump timing belt driven water pump is what I meant to say. Anyway, this hole in this housing is the only difference here. So if you ever want to upgrade to the hydraulic setup, you'll have to change this too. You can't just buy these because the hydraulic tensioner won't bolt to this setup. Anyway, just want to let you guys know there's a little bit of a difference here. I'll see if I can come up with some parts numbers for these two setups, and you can find them in the description. Thanks.